Okay, now that you've made it through those 4 examples, we're going to go through and do another example today. So let's say we want to factor x squared minus 8x minus 20. The process is very similar still. We're going to have two numbers that multiply and add. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to give us the product of 1 and negative 20. So when I do that product, I get negative 20. And I'm looking for the two numbers to add to negative 8. So we've got to do a little bit of work to figure those out. But after doing some work, we're going to find that we get 2 and negative 10. When I multiply those two things together, 2 times negative 10 is going to give me negative 20. 2 plus negative 10 is going to give me the negative 8 that I'm looking for. So I now come back over here on the left, and I set up my parentheses, and I'm going to fill in a 1x and a 1x, and that means I'm going to put a 1 down under. So remember, whatever number was in front here, this 1 out here in front, went here, it went here, and it went down here. The other two numbers you fill in are these guys over here. So we're going to have our plus 2, and we're going to have our minus 10. Whenever we have a 1 down under, there's nothing to cancel out of the bottom, so we don't really have to do a whole heck of a lot of work. My 1x plus 2 stay just like it is, and my 1x minus 10 is going to stay just like it is. So I'm going to write that 1x minus 10. So I ended up with 1x plus 2 times 1x minus 10, and there's my final answer.